Hello, my name is Jarrett Struby, and this is my introduction video for AEP A59 Module 1. A little bit about me. I've been married for 3 years to my beautiful wife, and we have a absolutely adorable daughter named Josie. She is 18 months old now. And when I'm not a teacher or learning to be a leader in my school, I'm also a musician. I play bass in addition to guitar and trombone, but primarily bass at the moment. In my career, I am a physics and chemistry teacher um, at Washington High School in Kansas City, Kansas. In addition to those responsibilities, I'm also a new teacher mentor, helping new teachers, first and second year teachers, ease into our profession and helping to support them in what they need. I'm also part of our district's science curriculum design team, helping transition from the old science standards to the next generation science standards to be in line with our state, the standards our state's adopted. I'm also part of the leadership team at my high school, and our basic goal right now is trying to foster a good learning culture that is safe and gives our students the best opportunities to learn. Some of my short-term goals right now are to become an instructional coach, so I can get a little bit more experience working with teachers and learning how to support their growth as educators. From there, I'm not entirely sure exactly what direction I'm going to go. I might go into a district role in the curriculum team, but I'm also interested in becoming an assistant principal and going on to become like a middle school or high school principal. But we'll see how things go and where my career takes me. So some things that I hope to learn in this class are some new points of view or new frames of reference when it comes to curriculum. I've had a little bit of experience over the last few years going from the old Kansas science standards to the new next generation science standards. But I'd like to get a little bit more, I'd like to get more viewpoints than what I've been exposed to so far. I'd also like to see what some current trends are, and more importantly, the data, what's working and what's not, and how do we know that. So I really look forward to working with everyone this semester. Have a nice day.